當基督教成為犯罪嘅掩護，當牧師變成掠食者，喺聖經真理教導上面，平信徒仲可以相信邊個呢？Hello，大家好，歡迎嚟到 Wake and Watch。根據2024年非洲基督徒嘅人口普查，我哋發現埃塞俄比亞、尼日利亞、剛果、南非、肯亞基督徒人口總數超過3億。比較一下台灣2022年基督徒人口，我哋將否認三一神論嘅真耶穌教會啲數字刪除。2022年基督徒人口大約110萬，佔台灣總人口5%。我哋睇下 Cindy Jacobs 喺2008年2月12號向台灣發嘅預言係咁講：
神很愛台灣，將大大翻轉台灣，將他深愛的子民從偶像黑暗權勢的捆綁中拯救出。台灣的基督徒將從3%提升到10%，再到50%，然後到97%，最後全部都是基督徒。
如果女先知講嘅係非洲，啲數字都勉強可以理解。喺埃塞俄比亞，基督徒佔總人口大概有58.7%，尼日利亞大概有2/3嘅人，喺剛果亦都差唔多有58%，喺南非大概有82.6%，而肯亞就大概有72%。根據香港基督教組織敞開的門嘅多篇文章咁話，基督徒喺嗰度唔係過平穩嘅教會生活，而係逃難同哀悼中嘅掙扎。如果大家繼續讀落去，越讀越傷心。被逼迫情況咁嚴重嘅尼日利亞，居然有一群自稱使徒、先知、主嘅代言人，甚至乎係 Man of God， 起豪宅、請保鏢、坐靚車，開設媒體帝國，壓榨信徒之外，仲犯下強姦、詐騙嘅行為。當地人其實都體驗晒噶啦，不過仍然有人繼續相信呢啲所謂奉耶穌基督行神蹟嘅 Man of God。我哋先嚟睇下尼日利亞最具代表性嘅教會事工 Christ Embassy。呢間教會係由 Chris Oyakhilome 博士牧師創立。如果你唔知佢係邊個，係理所當然，因為佢喺華人地區嘅影響力真係好細。但係如果你留意開 Benny Hinn 新班尼同佢出雙入對巡迴報道嘅非洲牧師非 Pastor Chris 莫屬。Pastor Chris 喺全球擁有數百萬名追隨者，遍佈非洲、歐洲同埋北美。佢仲經營 Love World 媒體集團，出版咗好多靈修書籍，聲稱發行超過1億冊。呢個叫做現實的真理廣東話靈修伴讀，得1個人訂閱啫。呢個頻道呢，亞洲都係好少人睇，不如睇下佢嘅官方頻道，都有3500人訂閱。但係真係要聽 Pastor Chris 同佢哋一齊靈修嘅人得嗰幾十個啫。到底嗰數百萬追隨者支持 Pastor Chris 啲乜嘢呢？喺新冠疫情期間， Pastor Chris 宣稱疫苗係政府操控人嘅工具。我諗大家都聽唔少好多牧師咁講過。佢之後又俾英國政府媒體監管機構警告，將佢嘅頻道封鎖。
Pastor Chris Oyakhilome, owner of the religious channel Love World Television Network, has generated mixed reactions on social media after his channel was sanctioned with a fine of £125,000 for exposing viewers to inaccurate and potentially harmful claims about COVID-19. The Office of Communications in the United Kingdom, better known as Ofcom, released a statement regarding the sanction on Wednesday, stating that it was the second time in a year that the television network would breach the rules on accuracy in news and harm in its coverage of the coronavirus. Over the weekend, a video of the pastor's sermon in which he slammed Christian leaders who were endorsing the COVID-19 vaccine went viral. In the video, Pastor Chris questioned their faith, claiming that the children of God, in May last year, the pastor's channel was also sanctioned. And, they talked about the fact linking the 5G, the COVID-19 virus. They also asked him to reveal any type of evidence that he had to back his claim on those findings.
抑或佢嘅追隨者想了解 Christ Embassy 高額資金流動同埋使錢嘅疑雲，定係可能因為呢件事而同太太喺2014年離婚呢？一個非洲尼日利亞嘅牧師 Man of God 點解會被英國政府查數呢？ 其實好簡單，佢嘅前任妻子係英國籍嘅公民，佢哋喺1996年11月19號註冊 Christ Embassy 基督大使館，成為慈善機構，但喺同年10月23日用自己嘅信託基金管轄，好多追隨者都唔理會呢啲閒言閒語，事關大家認定佢係尼日利亞嘅 Man of God。不過喺佢呢一篇講道之中，佢自爆自己有另外一面人生嘅。
There's a, what they call them? They say that they call them the Illuminati. That the Illuminati folk are on the internet. In fact, I found out they said that I am Pastor Chris's Illuminati. Well, I am Illuminati on the positive side. All right. But when you talk about Illuminati from the negative, then that doesn't make any sense. See? 1 John chapter 4 from verse 1. Let's read. Beloved, believe not every spirit, but test the spirits. See, he's dealing with spirits here. Okay? He says, try the spirits whether they are of God, because many false prophets have gone out into the world. Notice, he didn't say try the prophets, he said try the spirits. I want you to notice his emphasis. All right, next verse. Hereby know ye the Spirit of God. Every spirit that confesseth that Jesus Christ is come in the flesh is of God. Next verse. And every spirit that confesseth not that Jesus Christ is come in the flesh is not of God. And this is that spirit of Antichrist, whereof ye have heard that it should come. And even now already is it in the world. The spirit of Antichrist. Not yet, he's not talking about the Antichrist. He says the spirit of Antichrist. This is the spirit that prepares them. This is the spirit that motivates them. This is the spirit that inspires them. Are you following this? He says that spirit is already in the world. So when you find false prophets, they are motivated by these Antichrist spirits. Now you talk about the various cults and the kind of things that they're doing. Somebody said 1,000 points of light, trying to tell us there are very many all around the world. Yes, but they are inspired by the spirit of Antichrist. And the word of God is telling us it's not new. He says you already heard.
喺 Christ Embassy 教會之中，奧伊米 B. Brianna 因涉嫌經營龐氏騙局而聲名狼藉。喺2022年，尼日利亞反貪機構 EFCC 指控佢同埋太太經由巴拉扎多用途合作社詐騙超過4萬名投資者，金額高達20億內拉，大約985萬港元，並將兩人列為通緝犯。Brianna 牧師喺投資爆煲後，於2021年潛逃，曾經引發當地人抗議。佢係 Christ Embassy 加納分會嘅牧師，加納有超過60%嘅人口係基督徒。不過喺2024年5月，耶納哥高等法院裁定 EFCC 冇法院嘅命令就將兩人列為通緝犯，屬於違憲，勒令賠償1000萬內拉，並歸還被扣財產，同時禁止進一步騷擾 Brianna 牧師一家。法院仲強調此舉侵犯咗佢哋嘅人身自由同埋尊嚴，命令反腐敗機構就錯誤發表言論，向呢對夫婦公開道歉。如果你哋認為20億內拉好濕碎啫，呢一單真係勁。喺2020年 MBA Forest and Capital Investment Limited 首席 CEO Maxwell Oldham 連續第2年成為 Christ Embassy 最大嘅捐助者。喺2021年4月被指控透過龐氏騙局詐騙超過7萬名投資者，超過1710億內拉，即係差唔多8.4億港元。儘管呢間公司聲稱獲得監管機構批准，但未能兌現承諾嘅回報，引發投資者街上抗議。最後 Maxwell Oldham 被捕。事實上 Christ Embassy 仲有前科嘅。喺2010年 EFCC 對 Christ Embassy 創辦人 Pastor Chris 展開調查，指控佢涉嫌洗錢3500萬美元。據報道 Pastor Chris 嘅代理人試圖毀滅證據，但由於聯合國毒品同犯罪問題辦公室 UNODC 提供嘅電子監控系統 Go Case， 佢想毀滅都毀滅唔到。 調查仲揭示 Christ Embassy 內部對牧師設有財務目標，未達標者可能會面對降職或者開除。為咗要達成目標，一啲牧師唔想借貸都唔得，甚至接受可疑嘅捐款。例如喺2002年，前喜來登酒店高級收銀員兼教會助理 Lawrence Agada 牧師被發現盜竊3900萬內拉，大約19萬港元。進一步調查發現，原來佢將大部分嘅錢用作11奉獻同埋自由奉獻捐俾 Christ Embassy。最後要講嘅係英國慈善委員會 Charity Commission 對 Christ Embassy 英國分會展開長達5年嘅調查，發現 Christ Embassy 存在多項財務不當行為。調查揭示，教會喺2008年至2012年期間，向與其關係密切嘅公司同埋組織支付咗約18億內拉，大約886萬港元嘅款項。此外，2013年嘅財務報告顯示，教會喺收入僅為1410萬英鎊嘅情況下，支出卻高達1590萬英鎊，其中包括向關聯公司支付嘅可疑款項。由於 Christ Embassy 英國分會未能提供完整同埋準確嘅交易信息，審計人員冇辦法獲得充分嘅審計證據，導致無法確定呢啲支出係咪屬於慈善用途。所以最後，慈善委員會於2014年8月暫停咗 Christ Embassy 英國分會嘅董事會。奇怪嘅係，喺同年5月28日，有關 Pastor Chris 可能離婚嘅報道開始出現。當時呢對喺人面前嘅模範夫妻不再一齊出席活動。最後都要俾大家聽下 Pastor Chris 自己嘅解釋。歡迎大家留言，我勸大家都唔好加入 Christ Embassy。多謝收看 Week and Watch，我哋下集見，拜拜。